Emily.
And we are both here at Nanaimo Foodshare's kitchen. We're gonna make a Southwest yam soup today. What do we need to make it?
Knives, a cutting board, onion, yam, a measuring cup, quinoa, lentil, spices, a tablespoon, apple cider vinegar, oil, and a pot.
Yeah. First up, we're going to prep our veggies. So let's get chopping. We're gonna chop an onion first. So Emily, show me your cat claws and hold the knife in your other hand. And why don't you take off the roots and the shoots of that onion? Nice. Well done. All right, let's get that skin off of there. Into rainbow fingers. Excellent. So try and put it back together as if it weren't cut at all. Nice. And we're gonna turn it sideways. Yeah, and then do it the exact same way. And it's a great way to dice our onion. Excellent. All right. Next up, it's the yam. And before we do the yam, we gotta wash it up. So can you run this under cold water and make sure to scrub the skin in all the little crevices?
Can I put soap on it?
No soap necessary. Oh. Just cold water and lots of friction. All right, you think that's good?
Sure.
Excellent. All right, so I'm gonna cut this yam in half so that we have a flat surface to cut from. And then, Emily, you can start chopping with whatever knife. You can choose the size of your yam chunks based on the size of yam that you want to eat in your soup. They could be really big chunks, or they could be small little diced cuts, or sweet little rectangles in between. And next one. And we're going to start to move over to our stove so we can start heating them up and make our soup.
Okay, I'll see you over there.
Excellent. Now that we're by the stove, we are ready to saute our onions. So first thing we got to do is warm up our oil. Emily's going to turn it to a medium heat and measure out 2 tablespoons of oil. I think this hasn't been opened yet. Uh-oh. Do it right over the pot so it doesn't spill. There you go. Nice. You can just put that on the side there. Excellent. I want you to feel, oh yeah, it's already feeling pretty warm.
Yes.
So you can put the onions in and we'll start to stir it around. When you're sauteing onions, it's a good idea to keep stirring so that all of the onion bits get covered in shiny oil. You don't want them to stick to the bottom, so keep them dancing.
Smells good.
All right, it's time to crank up the flavor and we're gonna add our spices. Spices don't burn on the bottom.
Don't get stuck.
Exactly. Well, it's been about 5 minutes. It smells delicious, and we are ready to add some water. 6 cups, please, then.
Six.
Well done. I'll take that from you. You can keep stirring. And we're gonna add both the quinoa and the lentils next.
Which one should I do first?
It's your choice.
I like these things.
We're using tri-colored quinoa today, but any quinoa will work. White, red, brown, many colors.
I like red.
There's also different types of lentils. We're using red today so that we keep it nice, warm orange color. All right, so now we can put the lid on our pot. It's gonna come up to a higher temperature, and we want it to simmer. And it'll simmer for about 15 minutes. So once it comes to boiling, we'll turn the heat down to low. All right, 15 minutes. Let's see how it's going. Ooh, looking good. Em, can you add the apple cider vinegar?
Yeah.
And
Yes.
stir it around. Oh, that looks beautiful. We can tell the quinoa is done because we can see the little O's as separate. See how, can you lift up the spoon? See how that O is separate from those little grains? Creates a little C. All right, let's take it over and serve it up. Emily, you want to grab the pot? I'll turn off the stove. All right, let's test it with a fork to make sure it goes easily into the yams, which means they're cooked. Are they?
Yeah.
All right, time to serve it up. Thanks for making this, Em.
It's hot.
It is hot.
I like this soup.
You like this soup? Will brighten up any chilly or hard day.
Warm the heart it will.